Oh, that'd be good. If I actually started streaming, that'd be good. Hello. Yeah, I wasn't actually live. I just like made the broadcast and I didn't click start streaming. So that's always good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. So you know, we're 5 minutes open. 5 minutes late. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Professional streamer. Don't worry.
Yeah.
So this is a 1 minute gap, and I reckon it will like go to the midpoint of the opening gap and then go down so slow. But
Get
it,
to off that.
yeah, if it goes up here, see your opening gap. Yeah, but it's also in a 1 minute gap.
What?
In a 1 minute gap.
What are the other time frames?
Well,
You just not look at them.
no, why would I ever look at that?
Well, because if you look at it's on the 5, it's creating a balance.
Yeah, but you just enter off all the most recent.
Oh,
Yeah. Just reacting off the 1 minute gap. So I'll go for this though, possibly this though. Just buy side. Like 15 and 5 minute.
no, it's just
Equal those,
shit.
yeah.
If you
Is this second phase? Is this second phase? Free contracts, second phase?
surely the initial.
No, it'd be first phase because it's the first retracement. But I don't know if it even looks that. It didn't take this high, I guess.
Which is usually quite nice, and long wicks usually indicate a
Hmm.
pullback.
He didn't respect the gap there, but it's just respecting the 1 minute.
I didn't think but it usually does. It gets back into it once.
Again, with like no opening gap today, like I'm using like less less potential draw, to be honest. Oop, I'm not meant to move that side because then it fucks up that screen. There you go. Yeah, I mean, Top Step's also like just trained me to not use any other time frame than the 15 second because they're always frozen or just wrong.
Yeah, if
Like-
you just refresh it.
Nice price action. Yeah, sick. I love that. Love that. Yeah.
If you refresh it, it will switch between regular and electric.
Just waste time.
See, I think that candle, or it will take the.
Yeah, it'll go like up here. It's just another choppy morning. It's been like this all week and last week. It's just gonna be a long session. Yeah, when Lucas comes down here, I'm just gonna try and speed run him getting funded. That'd be funny. I'm just speed food him trades.
Yeah, but then he's just gonna lose the account.
Yeah, but you know, hopefully he learns something, and then you only need to take one trade a month to keep the account. So,
True.
and it doesn't have to be a win. So,
Because technically you don't pay for it anymore, do you?
yeah. So yeah, it could go up to midpoint of opening gap just because that's also premium discount. And I guess by that time it could be entering a 5 minute gap.
What's the 3 looking like?
I don't even have the 3 up here.
Press the button 3.
No, I never look at the 3 minute.
Yeah, but it's just extra confluence.
It's just gonna be more gaps to look at. Like what? Why do I want these 2 extra gaps here? It's just one 5 minute gap. Like
Because you can respect them.
true, yeah, no, just draw a fucking fib on a 5 minute, and that's where it's gonna go. Like, look, it's always CE of this opening gap, so it's like there's so much confidence around the CE of opening gap.
Yeah.
Price is just gonna chop until then, and my 15 seconds frozen. Love that.
You have one person watching.
Yeah, it'll be Lucas.
He took his bloody time to start it.
Well, Josh got me home at literally past.
GG.
Nice one. Yeah, we got here at past, and then I forgot to click start streaming. So yeah, that's always good. Yeah, so it's like chopping in the 1 minute gap, but you've also taken this high and you've also taken this high, so now you're always just looking for the middle of the opening gap. I'll get rid of this dumb fib. That's the 5 minute gap because we don't use it. Like, I don't know if I'm bearish enough to go short though, because there's not really much confidence off a short, other than there's 2 sell sides to go for, but there's also 2 buy sides to go for. So
don't you also want it to close below the opening gap to then come back in, not what it's doing?
Oh yeah, you don't want this. No,
Yeah.
not at all.
The 15-second it's doing it, right? It's just the 15.
No, because you've blown through all the gaps that you wanted to respect. I mean, you could respect this 1 minute's wick. But now there's just a lot of shit to see on the screen, and you know it's not going to respect it because of this 2 gaps here. Like, it's just going to respect one of these gaps and then play through it.
Are you still bearish?
No, I literally have no bias today because there's no opening gap.
Yeah.
We've gone through New York in pre-market.
Yeah.
It's just seeing which liquidity it goes for, and I guess we could look for a 10 AM reversal.
True.
There's always a 10 AM reversal.
Could just be engineering liquidity.
Yeah. I mean, technically, entering...
those highs you've got marked.
Yeah, you could enter along.
It's an inversion, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 15-second inversion.
Right, yeah, it's trustworthy, right? I could enter I could enter along here.
Go on then.
And go for this buy side up here. Or like this buy side up here.
Go on then.
You want me to enter?
Well, don't just only do it. Oh, okay.
Which one do you want to go for? Want to go for both? We got both. Weekly wick, we'll take off one
But you're
contract.
just doing that because what?
Just because of inversion, it's blown through this, you know it's going to go for the nearest buy side, because, well, it's not going to go for sell side now.
What buy side is that?
1 minute, I think. No, 5 minutes? 5 minutes, just this wick up here.
The wick. Okay.
Yeah. Well, potentially marking CE would have been smart beforehand.
Which you respect.
That's fine.
This is just hideous. 15-second. Hideous.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even a 15-second reversion. It's a late entry of a 15-second reversion.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. Do we have news?
That's like the first thing I check.
Nah, there's no news. There's no news unless Trump wants to tweet something, and then there's always news when Trump tweets something. I think that's what the fucking tariff shit was. It was literally just a tweet. He was like, "Oh yeah, by the way, fuck China," and then stocks went to 0, and that's just how it goes.
Didn't place a stop.
Why would I? If you've got high confidence, why do you need a place to stop?
Protect your ass.
Nah, bro.
Say that when it's reversed or something.
I mean, you should always have a stop place before your first TP. That's always a smart idea, but we've already taken it, so just place it wherever. I'm making like no money off this trade anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Unless it just rips through and goes to wick CE.
It's taken the high.
Yeah, it's possible. We've also like barely breaking a 1 hour gap. So like when there's like a huge gap in between.
I hate them.
No, when there's like a huge indifference between your TPs, right? So before it was this 5 minute wick, and then it was going to be this weekly wick, CE. Look for something else that's in between. Like there's normally an inefficiency, right? There's normally like a massive, just nothing in between prices.
Yeah.
So we have the top of this gap, so we could respect that. But if it just blows through it now, there's nothing else. So it's just going to go to weekly.
Blowing it on the 1 minute isn't precise.
It's precise. It's precise.
It has the whole hour to the body to respect it and come back.
Well, it's 15 minutes, yeah, but you know, if you're going to blow through it, why not just go all the way? Because like there's literally nothing else to go to.
But then it could also wick it and get back down.
Yeah, it can. It's also the top of the. I guess it's a 15-minute. Oh, do I want to mark C? It's gonna be ugly, but okay. So we have third quarter here.
That's one ugly ass chart.
Yeah, it is a little bit ugly now, but you have to mark everything to make sure you're not getting reversed on it a random point.
Okay, this is so much easier on a computer.
Oh yeah, I can't trade on a laptop, man. I don't have enough mouse control to trade on a laptop. Yeah, so that is the third quarter of the 15-minute gap.
I thought that was the top of the hourly.
No, this is the top of the hourly.
You sure?
Yeah, that's the top of the hourly. That's a 15. We'll sell one. Am I selling? I'm selling because I'm long. Yeah, there we go. So we sold one here just because it's the third quarter. I want to see it blow through the top of the hourly though, if it goes through, and then we'll take final TP at weekly.
Still do not like the 15 second. You literally take confidence from high time frames and just go, yep, 15 seconds.
Yeah, you have to. It's the most accurate way to enter.
Horrible.
Most accurate way to enter is take high confidence from high time frame, not even high time frame. Like I took off the 5 minute, like. But like, I guess it is high time frame when you're going from 5 minute to 15 second, right? But it's mainly just sort of bias off of price action that's happened beforehand, right? Yeah. So it didn't want to go for sell side. It blew through all of this, so I know it's not going to go for sell side. Take an inversion gap, an actual entry. You get a second phase kind of here. First phase is just blowing through and then enter the inversion here. Yeah. And you get second one here in this 15-second gap. Yeah, so your first entry is when it's in the CE of the inversion. Second,
what does the 1 minute look like down there?
1 minute's just going to be a straight bullish. Yeah. You're not even going to get an entry. Yeah. True. You don't even get an entry on the 1 minute, so. Yeah. I don't know how I used to trade on the 1 minute. It's just not possible.
Brian needs 15 seconds.
Of course he does. There's no way you get funded anymore without using the 15 second.
I hate it.
Like, unless you're holding your trades for literally hours, you're not getting funded on the 1 minute. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I'd ever use the 15 or the 1 minute. It just wouldn't be possible. So that's a breakaway gap. This one here. See if it respects this wick. Wicks are gaps, so you want it to respect the long wick. I was going to mention one. So
you use like CE insanely heavily.
Oh yeah, I use fibs on literally everything, pretty much.
I use them, but not for like what's the fucking word? Draws.
You don't use them draws. Like it's just like CEs of like high time frame wicks. So like 1 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly. And it's like when it's used for like stops and stuff and TPs. So
I do use them for stops and TPs.
Yeah. So I don't really have a good example on the 1 minute. All right. So on the 5 minute, say I'm in a sell model and I have this wick, I'm going to see that because I wouldn't trust that. Even though you have these smooth lows here, I'm still going to take a partial at CE. It's just, it gives me less nerves when I'm in a trade, so I just do it. Why not? Take a partial, it's partial.
Broken structure on the 15 second.
It's fine.
Do you look at 1 minute Cs?
Yeah, I just. Oh, my chart froze as well. That's fun. I mean, I have a stop there, so it's fine. Interesting.
Breakaway again. Well, okay. I guess it wasn't because that's probably around CE of the run.
Yeah, it could be actually. Yeah, that could be premium discount of the range. Not really. Yeah. But I don't care now. I'm not going to enter another trade. I'm up 250 on payout day, so I can take 2.4ish.
Yeah, nice.
Which is always nice because then top step take 10%.
Yeah.
Right, and then because it's in dollars, it's actually 25% less.
What's? Surely right? It should be. Oh yeah.
Yeah, because.
So what would 2.4 turn into? They take what 240. So
it's just 35% less of whatever 2.4 is. which is quite a bit of money. It's like 2.4 to like 1.8.
And then there's tax on top of that.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, trading in the UK is not fun, I'll be real.
Crazy.
On FTMO, you could trade in pounds, even if you are on US.
Yeah.
But yeah. 5 minute C, even though there is a gap, I mean, it's just going to go to the gap, surely. Yeah, it's not even respecting C. Breaking structure as well. You have... So, this was third quarter of the 15-minute gap, right? So, we're still in this 15-minute gap. Which could be... That looks more like CE, I'll be real.
What? Yeah.
Oh, no, it does look like third quarters. Yeah, just like... where the fuck did I mark? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, well, so this is
I think
hourly.
the bottom one's the hourly.
Yeah, bottom is hourly, yeah. This is why you put text on them, so you actually know what gap it is.
Yeah.
So that's the top of the hourly, and that's third quarter of 15. Okay, so it's just swept from the top of the hourly gap, and it's broken down. Trying to draw here or try to draw the fib for the New York. Back into the New York, touching into the inversion gap.
Yeah, I think what you have as well that I don't, it's better set up. So
Yeah, I don't trade on a laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, even if I was trading on a laptop, I would use a mouse. I wouldn't use a trackpad.
You use a mouse, not a trackpad.
Hmm.
But you can get those like mouse and trackpad things. Right, it's essentially just.
But yeah, 250 on free contracts. We'll take it. We'll take it. It's whatever.
Now you can set limits.
Oh yeah, you literally just right click and look here. Yeah. Set.
No, limit by.
Yeah, always, just use limits when it's for TPs. And then stop, you just drag, so it's fine. Okay, so we've ended the 5 minute gap. I guess I'll keep that there. So 5 minute gap is
5 minutes.
yeah. Well, the white box is still the inversion, but we're also in the 5 minute. But it's actually wicked to the top of the.
Like CE at 5 minutes as well. That's do a premium discount of that. That'd be great.
What, you mean a fib with a 5 minute gap?
No, the whole candle, the range, the whole run. Looking very
Yeah, it would be a discount gap.
very
Yeah.
very. So what you could go long there theoretically. Like that.
Yeah, you could. I don't know if I'd trust it.
I wouldn't either because there's gaps below it.
I wouldn't trust it because it's already taken this high up here.
Right.
If it was going to go high, it wouldn't dig this low.
Even though it is discount.
Yeah, it wouldn't dig this low. It wouldn't need to because of these gaps here.
Mm.
Like, if you were going to dig this low, you wouldn't expect it to go this deep into the 5 minute.
But that's like CE, the 5 minute, no?
Yeah. So premium gap, oh no, sorry, discount gap, and you're still respecting C perfectly, yeah. If
And it's wicking as well.
yeah, I guess you could.
See, would you wait for like a break a structure and then a entry, or would you just enter?
Well, I've already entered, so
Well, no, but if you hadn't.
the entry I took is the entry I would have taken.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like, I always do the first run because I don't like doing this here. Even though my first entry didn't look as clean, like it's cleaner than this in my eyes. Because why am I having to wait for all this pullback to enter?
Yeah.
When it's already made a run.
Wait, if you'll run and then just jump in when you could.
Yeah, essentially.
That's basically how Patrick Ewing trades.
No, he chases price.
Yeah, he waits for it to run and he just goes, "Oh, I can hop in on that."
He would be chasing this short, is what he'd be doing.
Yeah.
He wouldn't have longed, he'd be chasing this short. Like, I reckon he would have shorted, like, 555. Let's see if he's streaming. Oh, wait, I'm also streaming. I can't go watch his stream. Fuck. I mean, it's a decent, like, cell model. Oh, my fan's probably blowing into the fucking mic. Low.
If it was a cell model, surely it would have gone back up.
I don't know. Is this Wixie? Yes. So we can use that as a kind of like a fair value gap entry. So Wixie.
Yeah, see, I never use that. I never use
Really?
C's as entries. I use them as confluence. So what, you now look for second stage?
Yeah, I'll now look for second stage, yeah. So like this gap here would be second stage because it's inversion gap.
Balance price range as well.
Yeah.
Balance gap, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
And you go what, to the lows?
Yeah. I would target this lower low.
Why?
Just because, why not? Fucking
Nice.
I'd have a partial here.
Yeah. And you also got C of that wick, no?
This wick. No, because 1 minute price action and 15 seconds telling me it's not going to respect it.
How can you trust 15 second and 1 minute with high time frames?
Because like this price structure is not telling me it's going to respect a 15 minute wick.
Yeah, but watch it.
It's just going to nuke. Like,
It has 2.5 minutes for it.
you're lying to yourself.
Mate, it's being safe. Confluence.
Oh yeah, look at this 15-second structure. Yeah, it's going to respect a 15 minute wick.
Yeah, watch it.
Of course, yeah, of course. Yeah? Trust. Not like it's already broken a low. No. Never that. It certainly won't give us a pullback. That's what it's not going to do. It's just going to nuke. Just because it wants to. Sometimes it won't give you a short entry.
Well, I guess now it's taking the low, you would look for it to go back up. Or all the way back up anyway.
No, you'd be looking at an entry like here or something. Yeah. It's like if you're looking for an entry now, it's very like price chasing.
Yeah.
There was no news, no.
What's 10 a.m. just reverse it?
There could be.
The reverse.
I mean, 10 a.m. could like take this low here, right? 10 a.m. could reverse up to here or here, and then go for a lower low, sure. Or it could just nuke for the rest of the session. We'll see when it comes. So you want to look for this, any kind of entry into this. I mean, it's a huge gap, but
It's only on 30 points. It's not the worst that we've had.
yeah.
And that's NMOG as well.
So that's like if you have a high stop, you'd look for an entry somewhere in that white box for a short. If you're looking for like a 10 a.m. short.
Yeah, I need to fuck. It's premium with the rate as well, probably.
Yeah. Oh, I also didn't link Brandon in the stream, but it's fine. I don't.
What?
I was gonna link Brandon in the stream, but I forgot to because I didn't have time to.
You silly bitch.
Seriously, boy. Right, so I'm gonna need brushes. I'm gonna need paint. I'm gonna need fucking paint holders. The sets.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because Josh is trying to get me into Warhammer. Because
You're doing it to yourself.
I'm doing it to myself, am I? Yeah, I really want to spend a mortgage actually.
Well, then why are you questioning it? Why are you staring at the model you painted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I barely painted it. It came base blue. I just did the trims.
You do the details, which is what most of it is.
Our Space Marine's just blue. Like.
They can be whatever you want.
Yeah, but you can't do them like red and black. Then there's chaos.
Yes, you can. Blood Angels are literally red.
Huh?
Blood Angels are red.
Blood Angels are red. I'm not on about Blood Angels.
Huh?
I'm not on about Blood Angels
Yeah,
there.
but Blood Angels are Space Marines. They're a chapter of the series.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know that. Yeah, see, it's gonna nuke. Right. Yeah,
Yeah, so change price, go short.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, look, it's gap.
Dude, there's a gap.
Dude, there's gap.
Dude, that's an entry. I'm trolling.
Hang on. Dude,
Dude.
it's free money.
Free shmonies right there. No, I'd need like another room if I was gonna start Warhammer. Yeah, because I would want like a paint desk and everything, so I don't have to clean it up and shit. True. No, I do want paint all over my desk actually.
Tell Lucas I'm putting images into the drive.
Lucas, Josh is putting images into the Bishop drive on the, the Google Drive.
Can't be spamming the ones I have on here.
Does Lucas need to put in like clips for the Glastonbury?
Pete does need video, yeah. I don't actually know if I kept any.
Yeah, Pete needs video for Glastonbury, Lucas. Serge. Yeah. Yeah, that's all good. Dubs. Get that shit going. Has Lucas even paid for his ticket yet? Probably not.
Yeah, no, he has.
Oh, shit.
We basically got the email. It's like, you have 5 days to pay for it.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe we will get a 10 a.m. entry. Maybe.
Would you look for that box? No more, or like nothing else?
I mean, what's premium discount? Go a little bit less. I keep moving this side by accident. Sorry about that.
Don't make him look it.
No, I mean premium discount is literally like the bottom of this box. So yeah, we are just really looking for that.
Lucas is telling me not what you get.
Yeah, Lucas, you literally have an army. What do you mean? Don't be gay. Lucas, I don't see why you don't type it in the YouTube chat, because that's the one I'm looking at. It's the one that's on my fucking screen.
He said he was 7.
Yeah,
Yeah, still gay.
7 and gay, mate.
7. I actually don't know what news I put in.
Like, I wish the what are these called, Mechanicus? I wish they had like a cool, why do they have helicopters? Like, what?
Well, they are the Adeptus Mechanicus.
Yeah, I mean, like the wings are cool.
Mech is in the name.
Yeah,
They're also a bitch to look after.
to look after.
Yeah. Well, once you build them,
Why?
well, you need to look after them so they don't break.
We just put them on a shelf.
Yeah, but when you play with them, you need to transport.
All right. Oh, what was I actually meant to get? The
Eldar,
yeah,
they are like exactly what you described.
yeah.
Oh, I need to get my
So what type of army are they?
basically skill. They're like, you need to learn a lot. They have like a lot of different things they can do, and if you synergize them correctly, they're devastating. But if you like mess up, they're super weak, so they can just get killed.
So it's very like high skill.
Yeah, it's very high. It's probably the highest skilled army. So
Fair.
if you lock in like you're good at doing stuff, you have no problem.
Yeah. Why can't I find them?
Aeldari, because they're in Xenos armies.
At the bottom of the bottom.
Damn, look at these weights.
Oh, dude, they have flying ships. Dude.
Yeah, wave serpents. I mean, they've got the giant. They've got the giant mechs. I probably should have showed you that are bigger than the thing I showed you.
Dude.
Go to price descending.
Of course, because they're gonna be the most fucking expensive, aren't they?
Why is it dollars?
I don't know. You didn't refresh it.
Oh, yeah. Dude, it's going to the box.
Dude.
Oh, they have a...
$780.
I didn't even know they had that.
780 schmeckles, brother.
That will be like, what, 4 foot?
Yeah, true.
It's like,
Bro. Why does it look gay as fuck?
what? What do you mean?
Man, that looks so gay.
That's strange.
That's actually a Power Ranger. Even has a little cockpit. Oh, that's gay. Oh, bro. Nah, bro.
Well, just don't spend $780 on it.
Dude, why can't we just play Sigma? No, what? Is it Sigma?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why can't we just play Sigma?
The models are cool. I mean, you can
Yeah.
just collect them.
Now, Lucas is right. You are just being gay.
Lucas needs to help mental lives. Let's make a LSH trade.
He's literally made one.
Oh, there you go.
He usually says stop being a loser.
Damn.
Yeah, man.
Why don't you call it LSH trades?
Nah, bro. Holden trades, bro. You gotta steal it from Josh. Holden trades, bro.
Hold visuals, hold trades, come on. Oh, fuck.
Well, that one's yours, by the way, because you definitely haven't drank enough today.
That's mine?
Yeah.
Why's that mine?
Because you need to drink water. Like what?
Oh, you care about me.
No, you need to kill yourself.
I do. Or was that violate?
True.
Policy, bro.
YouTube, I'm gonna get fucking copyrighted by Pornhub.
Small Asian boy takes big white penis.
So how many points is this $780 gay figurine?
Probably like 700 or 800.
Okay. So 2 of him and I just play a game.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, you can do like a 500-point game, 1,000-point game, 700-point game, 200-point game. Like, we won't do many points to get started.
Dude, Revenant Titan with Sonic Lances.
Lucas,
Yo.
what's the... I don't know if you remember, what's A, the biggest gig you've done, or B, the best photos I've taken?
I hope you can hear you.
I hope so too. Answer me, boy.
You should be able to hear you.
Should.
Burn,
I don't
burn,
know
burn.
bish. What does that even mean? Oh, it's just saying bish. Okay.
It's probably the B word.
It did say... Oh, fuck, have I still got them? What year was Jurassic Fields? Was that 23? Wasn't 22, was it? I can't remember how old you were. Get some from Jurassic because it's... Yeah, but what year was that? I need to know the date, so I'm just not going through everything. After Effects was so bad. I had like good single shots, but some of them were so garbage.
F.
I need the year. I had shit photos of Fletcher, shit photos of Ruben.
To be fair, the Wraith Knight looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that was what I was talking about.
Yeah.
That thing is huge. It's probably
Is it actually?
that.
It's only $170.
It's like 100 July 2022. Okay, that helps.
Oh, the Avatar of Kong.
Okay, he's fucking disgusting.
Bro, he looks OP.
Yeah, he is disgusting. Do I not have 2022 on here? Oh, it's going to be on the other one back home. That's a big fat rip.
Dude, one little gun that he used to kit bash for the Phantom Titan.
Kit bash, that is the arm.
Oh, yeah, that is the arm.
The body doesn't... You're spending $780 on the body. That's in the Warhammer Titan's body is $1,500. The arms are like $300 each. But you're forgetting it's huge.
It's fucking plastic.
Yeah, I know.
It's a fucking figurine, mate.
Okay, that was Bill.
You're supposed to be going Rome. Stop wasting money. Bro, look, a ticket to Rome's like 20 quid right now.
Bro literally has money again, so you know what? This time, actually spend it on stuff that isn't bad.
Yeah. Dude, instead of spamming meme coins, I'm gonna spam Warhammer.
Did you do Jurassic Fields before or after Bomber.
Oh, this could be a short entry. This could be the short entry.
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. That is actually the CE of the 5-minute gap.
See we.
Could go a little bit higher. Yeah, I mean, pretty high risk if you're going to enter.
Points.
Yeah.
Someone that doesn't place a stop.
Yeah.
Bomber like 5 times. I think it was the one where you did the wayside. The Bradley.
The what? The one before Greece?
No, the Bradley Cooper song. I'm pretty sure it was that time.
That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice strategy.
What
Free contracts? Free contracts?
Why are you selling after his run?
I don't know why I've entered.
Why did you
Why did I enter another trade? I don't know, but we're gonna do it anyway.
See, that was just a bad entry.
Yeah, that's just me being greedy, to be honest. But
Let me say that and it's fucking nukes. Well, I say nukes. How do you do it?
how do
I that was not a good. I guess it's literally CE to the point.
Yeah, it's just I don't know. 3 years of trading, I guess. I just don't care.
No, you really like. There was no. You just looked up and went, oh.
I just don't care for it anymore.
That was the very first gig before Bish. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. But no, it wasn't. 'Cause it's in 2023. So maybe it wasn't that one. That was the very first. Fuck, these images are so bad.
I guess my stop would be like here. That's fine. I'll just get stopped out on it. Whatever. It's gonna respect that VI. Yeah, it's gonna respect that VI. No, it's gonna respect the VI. No, I did close it prematurely.
Good.
Fuck, I went again. Oh, whoopsie. I didn't see the 15-second gap there. I'm just being blind now. Oh, whatever. My bad. Yeah, whatever.
Apparently, it just doesn't matter.
No, apparently it doesn't actually. Apparently I'm actually.
Apparently the market just does whatever the fuck.
apparently I'm just a market maker, man.
What the hell? Man?
It's fine. Trust me, bro.
2024.
Trust me, bro. Okay, we will have a really tight stop there because I can't be asked to get stopped out even more.
227.
Before Bish was formed.
227 was not Bish, that's Portugal. Oh yeah, I've been moved down twice. Forgot about that.
Why is it always like really volatile when I enter? Dude, it's being so volatile.
They did nothing at the beginning. Bish did nothing in the first 6 months. 24.
Okay, whatever. Is it still going to respect this VI? Surely not. Surely it doesn't dig into it twice.
15-second one.
Yeah, but like, why is it respecting it so much, brother?
What's on the other time frames?
Be nothing. You're just in a fucking gap. Yeah. Whatever. I guess I should just like anticipate it being respected. Okay. Am I gonna get chopped up by this 15-second VI?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, most likely.
But it is respected.
Oh, I'm actually getting chopped up by a 15-second VI.
Bro's becoming the queen.
I'm actually a retail trader.
Listen to Lucas.
Yeah, it's true, but like I didn't expect it to be respected twice, you know. Okay, like, and it's not breaking these lows, which is really annoying.
But it's respected another one.
Oh fuck my life! I'm
No.
getting such a bad entry at this point.
What do you mean second stage?
No, like it has to go up here, surely. The reason you're not
Maybe look at the high time frames then.
no, because you're just in a 5-minute gap. My chart's not loading.
Refresh it.
Okay, you've already touched a 5-minute CE, so like you shouldn't need to go higher.
I mean, it's not making highs though. It's not making highs or lows currently. It's making lower highs every time.
Yeah, true. See, this is why I don't go for second entries, man. Oh well, I'm just being greedy.
Mate, you only made $150. You suck.
Dude.
You need to make another $45 to take a payout.
Dude, I shouldn't have made the second trade. What am I doing? Or a third trade.
Disrespect it again. Disrespect it. See, I always take the rule of threes. Like if it respects it a third time, then it's going the other way.
What? Is it going down or up?
Down.
It's going down, you think?
Yeah. It's like if it makes a high. Oh, look at that.
Wow, bro.
I am the market maker.
He is the market maker. Let's go.
I am the boy.
Doesn't break the low, by the way. Let's go.
Oh, fourth time.
Dude.
Bro, it's giving you an entry for the fourth time.
This is ridiculous, actually.
Fourth time, bro.
This is what happens when there's no 10 a.m. news.
Yeah.
It just...
So he didn't... January
Oh,
to July.
I like that.
Nothing.
No charts are working. Let's go. Oh, it finally made a high. Okay.
Yeah,
Jesus
it's
Christ.
bro. That's Oslo. That's Oslo. Bro, when did Bish do anything last year?
Did Bishop do anything last year?
Nothing. For the first
I'm
10
pretty sure they didn't, actually. Because like
It was
the entire summer they didn't.
I think. Now I'm looking. It was October. This
Yeah, you did Ockfest, whatever it was.
Ockfest.
Yeah, whatever it was called.
Oktoberfest.
Yeah, that one. Okay, back to the 5-minute CE. But not the 5-minute CE on the 5-minute. Nice.
Maybe Oktoberfest. So it hit CE again
Yeah.
and took liquidity, bro.
Did not
And
take
it's respecting
it,
another VI.
it made an equal high.
Yeah, and it's respected another VI.
Yeah, you're talking out your ass.
Oh, am I? Did it or did it not wake up and respect it?
Barely. I didn't even see that one, to be honest.
But look, it's respecting this one still.
Uh-huh.
Dude, that's such a clean entry. See, how is this not the 15-second all the time?
It's just not.
How? It makes no
It's
sense.
just not.
Doesn't that look like really clean price action to you?
I mean, like, technically, if you're entering on the 5-minute, you're fine.
But just place the stop at the top.
What I got here?
But then that is also like, so is that 20 points or 28?
It's 28. You're 28 into a second gap, like.
Clean.
But I guess it can go into a second gap because it is a premium, and it's above. It is a premium gap, so it could be.
I feel like I should have way
But
more.
I don't like how much it's chopping, to be honest.
Luke, just have a look in the drive, see if there's any. See if there's any that you can remember I've done that are missing.
Okay, right. You
Can't
finally
be
broke the low.
because that's home on the other hard drive.
Am I entering this early?
Right, go look at what you're entering into.
Yeah.
My guy.
No, but on the 5-minute it's clean. So
Look at what
on
you're
the 5-minute it's clean. On the 5-minute it's
and
clean.
you're entering where on the 5-minute? Out of the gap.
Yeah, pretty much. But like, it's fine. It's fine. It finally broke the low.
How are you funded and more?
How?
Like how?
How-
Oh my god.
Bro, I've been funded for 3 years, bro. Relax. No, I've been funded for like 2, but you know how it is. Okay, that is C of the week. Do I enter? Labels. Oh.
Every time you know boy, it just goes in your favour.
No, it actually doesn't. It never goes in my favour. It never do that in my life.
Yeah, no, never. And where's your stop going?
Nowhere. Why would I ever have a stop?
You wouldn't put it at those highs?
Nah, my stop's
That's going to be a stop hunt.
My stop's at minus $9 million, bro.
Lose the account right now, go on.
Swear down. Now my stop's at $9 trillion.
$245 million.
$2 million. This is most definitely a stop hunt though. Holy moly.
Lucas, have a look at the drive. Am I missing anything currently? Any big gigs apart from Jurassic? You actually trying to make this work?
Well, yeah. See, I won't play stops, but I'll see where my stop should be, and then if it doesn't respect it, then I'll close.
Where should your stop be?
The C of this wick, really. If I'm having a conservative stop, like C of this wick,
Respects it.
then I hold the trade.
Right, but then so you don't close it when it goes to it.
No. But like, holy chop, man. Holy chop.
But dude, you need to make $200 today to take a payout.
Yeah, true. Or I could just throw it all away because I'm fucking chasing because of greed. That's always nice, isn't it? Aye. Chasing on greed. Burner.
It's taken C.
Because it's like semi-respecting it.
But Lucius is saying.
Well, it's probably because he is checking the file. I'm hoping he's checking the drive because you told him to check the drive.
Well, that's if he's not being cringe.
Yeah.
See, that's why. Because you can just do that.
Yeah, but if it takes this high, then I close the trade, right? Okay, cool. But now respects to C. Oh, what am I doing?
That's why I hate the.
I hate this fucking cringe ass chop. Now look at the 1 minute chop, man. It's not. It's
Look at what you're entering.
it's not the 15-second, right? It's just the 1 minute chop.
By the way, this is a guy that wants to get affiliated by Top Step.
Yeah, true.
I'm chasing greed.
I am chasing greed.
Well, now you need to make another $150.
Yeah, but that's fine.
Well, go on then.
That's like nothing.
In this.
In this will be difficult because there's no news, but you know I could just chop the account down, so it's fine. But I've taken 3 losses now, and I'm still not red.
That's true.
So,
That's true.
so who's the better trader here? No, the better trader is the guy that doesn't chase greed, Lucas. Don't ever.
Yeah, this is a really good valuable lesson.
Yeah. No, this is exactly what not to do.
Also,
It's
check
fine.
the bloody Google Drive.
I'm sure he's checking the Google Drive, man. Don't worry.
When was Bootlegger as well? What year was Bootlegger?
They did a gig at Bootlegger.
Yeah.
I thought he just did stand up though.
We did stand up at Bootlegger before.
Oh my god, this 1 minute chop is deadly.
But it is just chopping inside a 5 minute.
Yeah, it's chopping in a 5 minute gap, which is why I should
That
think.
is some of the worst chop I think I've seen
Yeah.
in a while.
Oh. Do we enter 5 contracts now? I think we do. I think we do.
Micro.
Yeah, 5 contracts micro. Oh my god, we're so chasing price.
Patty reload.
We're so chasing price.
But one concurrent viewer.
Yeah. Oh, we're so chasing price. I love this.
But you have to. You need to make $150.
True.
Sure.
Sure.
Fucks.
$9 million.
$475 million. How does it not get funded? By now place a stop.
See, you can't place a stop because you chase price.
But Patty Wheeler places a stop.
Yeah, but he places.
Seeing in the crowd in any of them. Okay, I have pics of just the crowd from.
Oh, what am I doing? I love that. Holy, don't change price. What am I doing?
Closed it.
True, I haven't closed it actually. Oh, why am I holding my fib? Oh my god.
Green Days, yeah.
Yeah, Green Days.
Yeah, I
Green
mean,
Days.
it's dude, it's in the box.
Yo, dude.
How to lose money with Connor. Yeah. Do you mean of just the crowd? I don't know. Oh, I've got some old Oktoberfest ones as well. The crowd.
What is that?
I'll put some crowd ones in.
Is it just going to chop for the rest of the session? Most likely.
Oh, hello. Got these. Me done.
Okay.
Ruben.
That is CE of the new log. But why have you rallied to it? Is the question. Is that also immediate rebalance? Slightly. Not really.
Exports. X25. 24.
Burner.
Tell you what.
Where do I not want it to go? I don't really want it to go
So you
into
know
this
you have
film.
to choose price to take a payout. Do you need one more 200 day?
Yeah. I shouldn't have traded. I should have traded more. I should have traded more. Very well. It hit the CE of the New York.
Okay. Oh, very nicely.
Yeah.
So you could take an inversion.
Yeah. If it gives me
The
it.
top one might be a breakaway because it's in New York.
Oh, it's not going to give me the inversion, is it? I'm going to get cucked by price.
15-second chart, you might. But
Bro.
then you could also tap into the New York and hit the one just above it.
Or I just get cucked by price entirely. Which is likely.
What's that?
I love 1 minute chop.
Oh, there's a beer in hand. Spotlight. There's that one.
See, Lucas, didn't realize I was watching stream of Marcus Loves Casino. Great. You actually are, because 1 minute chop is my like arch nemesis, so we love that. Like, I know the direction it's going in, it's just going to chop me up in it, which is really annoying, but it is what it happens.
Not see the crowd, yeah, crowd. March 28th. It was 23 bootlegger. Sprinkle the crowd and didn't realize I was watching Marcus.
Yeah.
Bro, she come on here daily. This is elite. So,
Yeah, if you come here daily, I'll actually never have a winning day.
well,
So
no, I'll just take the winning days. I'll
true,
just do
true,
the
true.
opposite of
Yeah,
what you
just do the opposite of what I do. Yeah.
What did you say in 2023?
Bootlegger,
Yeah, what's the date?
March 28th.
So that's 03. Why do I not have 03? How do I not have 03? Oh, I do. I've got the 22nd of March. How do I not? 7. No, it might still be. Let me try that.
What is that stop? It's like 20 points again. It's kind of big. Kind of annoying that I chased price, but that's what I get for being greedy. Why? Because of the heat? Normally because of the heat. It's like we're touching this 1 minute inversion. If we take the low, it's kind of high confidence. Okay, we did take the low. Chasing price once
How
again.
do I not have it?
That's immediate rebalance. Okay, we're gonna enter because it's immediate rebalance. Here. Oh, I didn't respect it. GG, I'm getting fucked. Ay.
Dude.
I'm getting stop hunted the entire day, apparently. My dearie me.
It's fine. You just need to make $461.
$461.
This?
Getting chopped into 1 minute? Not often, because you've had a lot of news lately.
Yeah.
And I normally don't get greedy and enter.
Don't have any of the sun. Sync with library. Oh. It's not syncing.
There is like an 11 o'clock orange folder, which is why it could be chopping.
Okay.
But like,
Oh, so the food ingredient index has gone up. Look.
oh, that was UK news. Why have I even got UK news on here? What am I doing? Monitor this wick. Even though I think it should blow through it, but we'll take 2 off at the C of this wick. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo.
Ah, yeah, it's only syncing 2,000 photos.
Nice. Come on.
Oh. What is it only?
I love edging the TP.
Oh, so it did go down.
Yeah. It's just edging partial. Love that. Love a cheeky bit of edging.
Yeah, but it's wanted to gap.
It should like straight nuke through the CE.
What's the CEO?
15 minute.
That's if it doesn't respect it.
Yeah, no, it should just nuke through it. And this should be a breakaway gap, but
So the body shouldn't perfectly respect.
yeah, the body shouldn't perfectly respect it, but you know, today's today, I guess. Today is today. Oh, man.
Did it stop you?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to fucking enter again, aren't I?
You need to make
$267. You know how you do that? You do it on 15 contracts.
To be fair, just scalp it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Scout 15. Scout 10. Oh, Scout 10.
Just don't.
Because surely it doesn't reverse, right? Surely it doesn't full reverse.
I mean, look at today.
Yeah, it could full
Just
reverse.
zoom out so you want to actually.
I can't zoom out because the price is wrong.
Well, then just refresh it and it won't be.
I love Top Step.
So it's respecting a 15-minute CE.
Yeah,
How long? Well, there's still 11 minutes left of the candle.
exactly.
It doesn't look like there's anything to go up to.
Not really.
Unless it just runs all the way back up.
Which it could do. In Chop, it could do that, yeah. It's not respecting this gap, so yeah, I'm very glad it... It's fine, it's just a card. I'm very glad I did not chase. Yeah, it's Kaiser's card, yes. Probably on the floor somewhere. Gracias. Okay, that's why you take partials at C's of Wicks, because it's like holy reversal. Like, what is that? I love when like price is just wrong on every chart.
Where it's turning into Vegas Matt for real. $1,000 on black.
Yo, 15 contract long, 15 contract long. I'm itching for it.
Just mark this video as a
I'm
video
itching
not
for
to
it.
watch again.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, this is why you don't chase your greed. Lessons, always some lessons. You know, especially when you're live streaming, maybe like take one and just end stream. That might be a thing. Especially when it's your payout day, and that's like the day you can take money out of the account.
$200.
Yeah, just make the $200 and you know, take $2,000 home. That's fine.
2K on the table. I'd be fucking livid with myself.
What do you mean, bro? That's going into Farcoin.
Oh, you twat. How much of your crypto is in Farcoin, dare I ask?
Nah, not a lot. Not a lot.
It's not a lot.
Nah, like 33%. It's nice.
What? Sorry? Actually,
It's like 33%.
third of your crypto portfolio.
Of course, bro. Of course.
Yeah.
Bro, I love the meme coins. That's not even a gap. I'm just being fucking blind at this point. Yo.
That's not cowboyness.
Yeah, that's not a gap. I thought
Wick, bro.
it was because it's like being weird about it, but
Why didn't you scalp the long?
well, I should have scalped along.
Scalp the long. Look,
Dude.
look. 15-second liquidity into gap. That's CE.
True.
Look, that's PE.
True.
That's CE.
Yeah.
Is it not? Tell me it's not.
It's
You
not.
didn't even plot it.
It's-
You did plot it, right?
I didn't
It's
play it.
25%, bro. Now see if it respects CE. See, this is why the 15-second is the worst. 'Cause you
No,
can
it's
do
not.
everything. You can. The confluence there was 15-second liquidity into the gap. And
It's
the 25%.
it's like still a short, but I don't know what it's giving you a second phase of. Like I can't see where the second phase is.
Yeah.
I guess.
It's well, it's balanced price range, isn't it?
Oh, it
Because
is.
it's offering buy and sell. I do like those.
Yeah. Do I like them enough to enter a fund account on? Are you funded?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Well, judging by your
Yeah, judging by my trade today,
Today.
I shouldn't be. I'm only down $67, bro.
dude, CE. Press the short button. Press,
Yeah.
Press the short button.
Yeah.
CE.
Yeah.
I bet my funded account on it.
Yeah. I think you did bet your funded account on this one.
Because I took my stop.
Yeah.
Where are we? 513. No, 20 points is top of the run.
Yeah.
The reversal, bro. That's price range, bro. Right, why is it?
Like, I'm guessing this was first phase though. It's like first phase is this Wick CE, second phase is
Never.
this. This box was an inversion. I guess we can get rid of that.
With it, both the gaps.
True.
Don't short the shit out. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'll cover
Is that
the losses.
is that a VI? You're gonna cover up the losses, even if I 15 minis right now.
Vegas man. Can't you use a C of this as well?
I would rather you see of this, but like it's just not gonna respect it.
Penis and your penis.
Womp 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 womp.
I was about to. What images was I getting?
20 March 28th, 2023. Those ones.
Your bestie and my bestie. Oh, Soph will have some of New Year's as well.
It's still respecting this 5-minute gap though.
I've never seen a 5-minute
Not
gap
really.
respected. So I mean, it is.
Yeah, kind of.
Its bodies are respecting it.
Are you blind?
Doesn't matter if it goes a little bit over according to ICT, but then look to the left. There's an inversion as well.
Hmm.
But it could also be waiting to go into the top one, the upper portion of the end walk, and then come back down.
I love chop. I love chop. Choppity chop chop.
You're the best. You're the best.
See, you miss all the chop if you just don't trade past 10 o'clock, and you've already won. If you've won like pre 10 o'clock, then you just don't need to trade.
Did.
Yeah. So yeah, this is how you avoid getting chopped up: is you don't take a trade after you win. Because now I have to sit here for another optimum trade setup to make back a loss I shouldn't have.
Right, you should have it.
Yeah, no, I all self-inflicted, obviously. Nah, Josh is actually sitting in the trading chair right now. He's actually pressing the button.
Dude, I wouldn't want to make you money like that.
Yeah, true. The account would have never been green in the first place.
Shut your mouth, though.
Bro, be sitting in a trading chair, 15 minis. 15 minis on Bismillah. Okay, well, we're in the 5-minute gap, we're in the inversion. We're in a 15-second gap, which is respecting like CE like perfectly. But like, why have you run up all this way? Like, why? Just because of chop? Really, just because of chop? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just broken structure, like, and it's like cell modelly. Because you have swept this high in this gap. That's definitely a cell model. It's just going to Nukington. Yeah. I've missed like when I did like trade chop.
You used to purposely trade chop.
No, but like when I got caught up like this, I would like this happened a lot when I was like a year ago. I would like trade chop like this, even though I've already won. I would just trade chop just because of greed, right?
Yeah.
And I'd basically always miss this entry.
They are still electric. But...
It would like never give me an entry, but this time it is. But it's like it's an entry in chop, so I don't know. I don't know. It's an entry in chop, so I don't know.
How do I not have them? Electric Dark One, Norway. October 1st, estimated travel.
Like you're in a 1-minute gap. Entry in chop, and I don't know. I don't know. Take the inversion gap. Does it respect CE? No, it doesn't. Watching chop, we're watching chop. There's no way you're going back 5 years for photos. Like, I would never expect it to expect this 1-minute VI for like no reason. There's no way this stays respected, surely. Because like, why would you nuke through this? Yeah, but like, why would you nuke all of this just to respect a fucking random ass 1-minute VI? Yeah, true. Because we're in chop. Yeah, it could do that because we're in chop deeper. But I don't expect it to. Da -da 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 -da. What a lovely 1-minute chart we're looking at, by the way. Yes.
Why is it all just not folders? Not folders. I don't want to import them. I guess it's up somewhere. So, I mean, like, they're definitely on my laptop.
Expecting to see if this gap again for some reason. But I don't think it's going to stay like that. because I was looking at the 1 hourly because I was wondering if this was a gap in the 1 hourly, and it was. Dug into it twice. I was expecting like this gap to also be a gap on the 1 hourly. And we've dug into it twice. We've broken this VI. Again, this is me just trying to recoup losses, but I'm also like not going to trade just anything anymore because we're too late into the session to just be blasting off any trade entry. Yeah, that always is because it's the bandwidth because my internet's shit. But as long as there's not like a delay, it should be fine.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
You're sure?
It's true.
Expecting a NWOG.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It is the NWOC, yeah.
Taking liquidity, bro.
Mm.
Did it take the load? No, so it failed
No.
to take the load.
Yeah, I tried to take that twice.
Taking that high, and you're in premium of basically that run. Well, no, you're in, with it around CE of that run.
Yeah, no, we're above CE of the run. And we're in CE of the New York again.
So we just see how it reacts to the CE now.
Yeah.
See how it closes.
It could just chop for quite a while.
Unless Trump just tries to save you and go. Fuck everything.
Yeah,
fuck
he's
everyone.
actually 2,000,000% tariff on China.
Yeah.
That's what I need right now. Yeah, it's respecting the CE of New York. But just running up to respect the CE of New York, I guess it can. Because there's like no news, no opening gap. 1 hour looks choppy. Because we've like respected a gap and taken a high and broken a VI. I guess we can now take these lows. Like, that is kind of what we're looking for. Yeah. 15-second VI there. It didn't break the... Oh, it did break the... Yeah. I guess free contracts wouldn't hurt.
Sure.
Yeah. At the top of this VI. But like, I don't know why it's respected this twice. Like, why chop? Why chop?
What's that green?
This green line.
No, the one above it.
This one's Newark.
Two lines respected perfectly.
This is Newark.
Just
Like
so
gap
you
VI.
could break the structure just below, and then you could enter just bounce back in before it comes down.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just do fun contracts. You'd have probably waited,
I
yeah.
wouldn't wait if-
Yeah, it already did retrace because like you have this. I'm not expecting the trade to go anywhere near. Like it's not. I don't think.
You realise?
No. Like I'm not expecting this to go well because like this structure is not very nice. I don't like 15-second VIs, so like that, and that's why I've entered off is a 15-second VI. But I normally don't like them. And it is like equal highs on the New York. Yeah, whatever. If it takes it, it takes it. That's whatever. Where do I want to stop? On this body.
That's not chasing price.
I am like chasing profit. Yes,
You
I'm.
could have just let it try and do a 2022 break it, and that's an entry. And then
It did in my eyes because it broke the swing low.
It
but,
broke
like,
it,
yeah.
didn't give you an entry. Oh,
It-
are
it-
you
the
using
VI.
that one?
Yeah, I took the VI. I took the VI entry.
15 seconds.
Yeah. I don't trust 15-second VIs, but it's like the only entry it's given me. So, yeah, you just have to.
Still just a size thing.
I have to because it's like small loss, right?
Yeah.
I just kind of have to. Just because it's a choppy day. But also like, do you mind?
That's Bishop Sycamore.
It is.
Still went. Well, it's still going.
You
How
hope.
much you need
270.
270.
Yeah, 270.
Just put.
I'll put a partial down here. Oh, better than that.
Have to be.
Oh, what is this 5-minute wick? Hello.